Scientific Surya Namaskar, Grade 3, 11 second Surya Namaskar, which takes a minimum of 253 seconds, which is equal to about 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Kapil Budawat, who is my student and today a Shikshak of the Scientific Surya Namaskar Academy, has been working to achieve this level for the past 2 years. This hard work, determination and persistence has paid off. You will see him demonstrate this with ease and make it look so easy for all of us. He is going to demonstrate 11 second Surya Namaskar taking 4 plus minutes to complete. Please note, we do not recommend anybody to try this exercise without supervision from a guru. This performance required intense training for over 2 years. Please listen carefully to the commentary as it will provide details about the movements and workout. Start. The first position is moving the arms straight up, getting them to the ears and bending backwards from the waist while the hands and trunk are in one solid line. This position is held for 11 seconds. During this holding position, there should be maximum stretch. This will be evident from his body muscles being stretched to its limits. Then you move to step 2 to touch the floor with your hands. Note his slow, controlled movements and keeping his arms and trunk in one piece and moving from the hips. Now hold this position as closely as you can. The next step is moving the left leg back in slow controlled movement to get into the next position with spine stretched and eyes looking backwards. Holding this position for 11 seconds gives maximum stretch to the body on one side. Next, move the other leg to come to Parvatasana. Here note the feet are placed such that they are at right angles at the heels. At the same time, your hamstrings are maximally stretched to deliver maximum stretch and increase flexibility of the hamstrings. Hold this position for 11 seconds. Then, without moving the legs, just turn the feet on your toes and slowly start to descend to Namaskar. This Namaskar is purely taking all body weight on the hands and toes with no part of the body touching the floor. Body should be parallel to the ground during this posture. Hold this posture for 11 seconds. Holding this posture for 11 seconds can be quite taxing. Then you come to the shortest movement from Namaskar to Bhujangasana. Here, note the toes rolling over onto their top side and the legs not touching the floor, while the spine is fully stretched and eyes looking backwards. Again, hold this position for 11 seconds. Next, returning to Namaskar is also the shortest movement. So great slowness of movement is required to ensure that time control is maintained. This can be quite hard indeed. Hold this posture for 11 seconds. Then return to Parvatasana without touching the knees and pushing the bottom upwards towards Parvatasana. Hold this posture for 11 seconds. Afterwards, bring the left leg forwards. Note that bringing the same leg forward generates hip flexion at both hips during one Surya Namaskar only. Now hold this position for 11 seconds. Next, bring the other leg forward to stand in Padahasthanasana with head into the knees. Aim is to get the hands to the floor and your head between your legs in 11 seconds. Hold this position for 11 seconds. Then return a bit faster to position 11. Remember, this is the longest movement, so speed has to be adjusted for making it in 11 seconds. For advanced flexible people, the end position can be hands close to the floor. Finally, hold this position for 11 seconds. And then return to the starting position in 11 seconds. The last movement should take precisely 11 seconds. You will note that this Surya Namaskar took over 4 minutes and is quite demanding. This Surya Namaskar grade 3 was without any breath control. Breathing during this Namaskar was normal at all times, irrespective of movement and posture. Let us now ask Kapil his experience of demonstrating this difficult exercise. How do you feel now, Kapil?
I am feeling warmed up and feeling that intensive workout has done within 5 minutes and feeling little tired, so want some break.
How long have you been practicing to achieve this level, Kapil? Have you noticed any transfer from fitness level to change in your health status?
I am practicing this for last 2 years. Yes, my fitness level and health level improved a lot. I am feeling very healthy right now.
What are the benefits of such high level of fitness? I have heard that you also practice a one-leg Surya Namaskar. Is that true?
This high level fitness brings flexibility, agility, endurance, and builds my stamina. And yes, I'm practicing one leg Surya Namaskar and I will demonstrate that very soon.
And what does that feel like? Is it as difficult as this one or much more different?
One leg Surya Namaskar is much more different than this one and it's very tough to practice. I will demonstrate and you will see it.
Thank you, Kapil, for a great demonstration and answering our questions.
Thank you, you too.
Scientific Surya Namaskar is based on the ancient traditional Surya Namaskar, where Lord Rama was given Diksha by Agastya Rishi Muni on his way to face Lord Ravana in his quest to return Sita Devi to her rightful place in Ayodhya. The next reference we have of such high-level Surya Namaskar is that of Lord Krishna, who practiced a minimum of grade 4 with breathing control, Surya Namaskar, for 10 to 11 seconds per step and performed a single Surya Namaskar taking 4 minutes. Kapil is aiming to achieve that in the future to rejuvenate the glory of the lost art of traditional Surya Namaskar, working through the Scientific Surya Namaskar Academy. The main aim is to elevate Surya Namaskar to its rightful place of a complete body exercise with all benefits across fitness class, enabling a wrestler, a martial artist, fit man, and an average man to practice to their level of competence and gain complete body fitness every day through a basic 20-minute workout. We teach such high level namaskars in our academy and trust people would be interested in learning this correctly. We also offer Shikshak and advanced Shikshak courses for higher grades of Surya Namaskar teaching. Please feel free to contact us for any advice and guidance regarding Surya Namaskar education for your office, school, institution, etc. We believe that 20 minutes spent doing this exercise every day is most valuable when we are studying the changes in parameters evident on regular practice. We can make changes to people's lives through scientific Surya Namaskar education. We offer 70 plus levels of difficulty across 11 grades of Surya Namaskar. This can enable everyone from the average person, the fit athlete or the martial artist to benefit from a compact workout to maintain your whole body in 20 minutes every day. We wish every one of you good health, fitness and freedom from disease for a happy, enjoyable life ahead. A disclaimer and a warning for adventurous people. Please do not try this yourself as this can be injurious if practiced without correct supervision and guidance. This Surya Namaskar grade 3 was without any breath control. Breathing during this Namaskar was normal at all times irrespective of movement and posture.